I mean, maybe not like every day, but we had a lot. Like when it got really hot, we had to get a lot of support oxygen. The guys at our house were saying that if it's the same amount of people in one day, oxygen. Yeah, I think we had to put her less that day. Yeah. Today's a little nicer though. The cloud cover's helping us out.
My battery's too dead.
You guys see anything good up there?
We kind of hiked a little bit that way, and we just relaxed at an overlook.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was fun. I had a job where the elevation was 10,200 feet.
Oh, yeah?
Leadville, Colorado.
Oh, right.
The whole town. So.
Did you grow up in a high elevation area?
I grew up in New Jersey.
Oh,
but for 20 years I was in Colorado. I just moved here to Albuquerque. Yeah.
How long have you been here now?
It's going to be 2 months, 8 weeks.
Oh,
it's in 8 weeks. So, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I grew up in Minnesota. I moved out here 2 years ago.
Oh, wow.
Really, did you?
Yeah.
That's a change.
Yeah. Well, this is a pretty big change from New Jersey, I take it, too.
Yeah, I mean, I was in Colorado for almost 20 years.
Right.
So New Mexico's like not that much different.
Yeah, I suppose.
The mountains aren't as big.
Right. Yeah, that's what I've been told. Just like people who are from Colorado, they're like, oh, that's not a mountain.
No, these are mountains, but yeah, they're just not as. But I mean, like, this is impressive. The Sandias, this is, you know, so.
That's definitely impressive to me.
Yeah.
Point it down so you see
Buddy, aren't you just the cutest thing? Are you flirting with me?
Still got the video going here. This will probably be.
well, when it's snowing and then it starts to yep. Where they're at.
Yeah, you gotta get right.
What I make every day at my house.
Just a little bit.
Oh, is that what it was?